How to manage upcoming birthdays notifications on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage upcoming birthdays notifications on Facebook Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find this one, settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings and then go down until you find this one, notifications. Click on it and then just go down and you will see here birthdays. Click on it and here you will find the upcoming birthdays. Just you can manage it to anything you want, turn it off or turn it on again, and then just go back and it will be saved. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.